Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rockstar Games Launcher, sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time with error code 1.0.0.7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Rockstar Games Launcher easily. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into users, you're going to select your username here, and then you're going to go into documents. Here you're going to find the folder called Rockstar Games, you're going to go into Social Club, and now what you're going to do is you're just going to delete this folder. So delete this whole folder, and after you delete it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here date and time, and then you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly. So just set time automatically, or just click sync now on here after you're done selecting your time zone. And once your time is set correctly, now when you open up the Rockstar Games Launcher, you'll see that it will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. If you are still getting that error, just make sure that you don't have any VPN or proxies running. So just close your VPNs or proxies and then try the Rockstar Games Launcher, and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.